All right, folks, OPS 2025, and it ain't no jive. We're at the Crespo Organic booth with Nissa Pierson. You have heard her on the podcast, and now we're talking mangoes. So, Nissa, what's happening in the world of organic mangoes?
Well, this is a great show for us because it's in the peak of our season, which you don't necessarily always get, so I'm always really happy to be here. We have over 15 different varietals in our booth today that we're showcasing, plus the dried mangoes. It's peak season in Sinaloa. Flavor is good, quality is good. It's good.
Hey, it's all good, folks. That's right. All right, tell me about this mango right here.
So these are the Kia Savoy mangoes. They're one of our specialty varietals under the Mango Queen sub-brand. And this is a Thai varietal that we grow in Mexico. It is one of the rare mangoes that you eat it green when it's firm, and it's really, really sweet. It has kind of a consistency like of a green apple.
Perfect for salsa, right?
Yes, and green mango salads and things like that. So it's very, very popular in Thailand, and we have done pretty well with this, as well as the Nam Dak Mais and the Malikas that we do as part of the specialty line.
All right, tell me about this one.
This is one of the mangoes we have in trial right now. It's the giant Taiwan mango.
Whoa.
It's also called the Kia Yai. And so before we get to this stage, we do trials. So we have small orchards where we try and understand how they grow, what they need, also how they hot water bath, and then how they ripen. So it's part of the trials, and we have about 10 different varieties in trial.
Wow, that's fantastic. And you eat this one firm too?
No, this one it will ripen and it'll turn
color?
Yellowish, yes.
Oh, okay, just like the standard mangoes that you get in the store?
Yes.
Awesome, okay. And how long can we expect these on the market right now? How long does the season go?
Well, the specialty mangoes, they peak in the end of June and all through July, a little bit into August. And that's about what we do. We do grow some of them in the south, so as we progress with getting more consumers to understand these mangoes, we will put more orchards in the south. Right now we concentrate on summertime because that's when most Americans eat the most mangoes.
Okay, well that makes sense, and it's great because look, we get several varieties of stone fruit all through the summer. People don't realize it's a different variety every couple of weeks with the yellows and the whites, but they're different varieties. Now with more varieties of mangoes coming on and the popularity of mangoes, this is perfect timing. So congratulations.
Yes, it's really hard work. There's a lot of risk to it, and we have really strong partnerships throughout the whole chain, from the farm, us, to the consumer, and that's how you make it successful.
Wow. All right, folks. Crespo Organic Mangoes, Nissa Pierson, thank you for joining us today. And remember, folks, it's always best when you get it Crespo fresh.
There you go.